Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I thought I was just recording a whole clip and nothing was recording, but it's okay. So today is Sunday. It's the day after Curl Fest. I had an amazing time at Curl Fest. It was so great to meet some of you all, as well as meet some new faces. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting my hair done. I'm going to be doing knotless box braids for the first time ever, and I don't know if y'all watch my stories. If y'all don't, then y'all are missing out. But my sister at hairby_Kimmy does knotless box braids and she bodies them, so I'm getting them done today, and I'm gonna take you guys along so y'all can see like the progression and just how she slays. Okay, so before we get started, do not forget to subscribe, as well as give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy and you guys enjoy content like this. And yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along the journey, speak to you guys afterward. I'm gonna do like a little photo shoot afterwards, so I'll bring you guys behind the scenes as well. And yeah, I have a couple of trips coming up, and I just find that I spend a lot of time taking care of my natural hair when I'm on vacation, and I don't want to do that. I want to just wake up, do my face, if that, and be out the door. So the knotless box braids is going to be a great option to allow me to do so. I'll also be able to style them in a few more ways than when I have regular box braids in, and I haven't had box braids in for about a year now. Last time I did box braids was in September 2018 when I was going on the Southwest trip. If you guys did not see that trip, I'll go ahead and tag it here. Sorry, I lost my voice at Curl Fest, but yeah, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna head to my appointment now because your girl's about to be late and I don't got money for a late fee. But yeah. Okay, so we're going to be doing some medium knotless box braids, and she wanted a highlighted look, so we're using a 27, a 24, a 613, and a 12. Yes. So first I'm going to start off by, we're going to do box braids, so I'm going to start off by making a middle part. And then I'm going to make another part on each side down to her ear, like the top of her ear. And you're going to check using the bag just to make sure it is even. So we're just making a straight part. So in each row, what you're going to want to do is just make equal size parts. So I usually start off by making a part down the middle. And I like to use these clips, which have like alligator teeth, to hold the hair separate. And I divide each one of those sections into equal parts. And I also use these clips to keep other hair out the way at the top, just to make it easier. So the only thing I use for this style is jam. So you just apply a little bit of jam at the roots. You don't want to put too much. And she requested a mix of colors for her braid. So right now in this braid, we're going to use a 27, a 24, and a 27. So what you have to do is start off by using her hair, and then on each turn I add in a piece of hair. You just have to make sure they're equal sizes so that the braid comes out even.
And then I just apply a little more jam at the ends to help the natural hair blend in. And I don't braid them all the way to the end. I just kind of leave this for after because it just makes it go faster if you just braid the beginning first and then do the ends after. Okay, so we did a couple braids now, and what I do to hide like the gaps is I start doing a sort of brick method. So you want to part it so that like this braid would just basically fall into this space right here, and it would just give it a fuller look.
Okay guys, so I'm now done with my hair, and this is how we are looking. They are super long, and I did go take some pictures, but by the time I went, the sun was already setting, so I had to take my pictures quick, so I didn't have time to do behind the scenes. But I'll go ahead and include some pictures that I took now so y'all can see what the photo shoot looked like. The lighting was off because the sun was literally setting 15 minutes after we took those pictures. But yeah, so I got those pictures. I am going to take a lot of pictures. I do have a lot of trips coming up, which these braids will be coming with me on, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed like the little tips that Kim provided as she was doing my hair. I just wanted to speak to you guys real quick about like why I did this hairstyle and what I'm hoping to get from this hairstyle. So first, the reason why I did this hairstyle is because I just felt like I needed a protective style. It's summertime. I have low porosity hair. I feel like locking in moisture takes a lot of time, and I don't really have that right now. I feel like I have a lot of things going on in my life. I have a lot of trips coming up, and when I go on trips, it at least takes me like an hour and a half to do like a wash and go. So to alleviate that stress on my future trips, I was like, I'm throwing in some braids, and this is what the rest of the summer is gonna have, and this is what the rest of the summer is gonna get. So it's gonna save me a lot of time when it comes to doing my hair when I'm on vacation. Also, it's gonna give me time to concentrate on like hair growth, oiling my scalp, moisturizing my scalp. I'm still planning to do the rice water while I have these braids in, I believe. I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, I think they're super cute. They're really nice. I can't wait to do different styles and decorate them. If you guys want to see a video on how I decorate my knotless braids, then go ahead and comment down below and let your sis know, because you know I got y'all. Another thing that I wanted to discuss about why I got these braids are the benefits of these braids versus regular box braids. So last time I put in regular box braids is September 2018, and I love how box braids look on me, but the only thing is that I hate the tension that it causes on like my roots. They just feel so heavy, and I just feel like when I was going to like 125th to get my braids done, they were really just like tearing my hair out. Like that's what it felt like, just because the tension of having all of that braiding hair on your real hair, especially for an extended period of time, is very stressful. So I love the fact that knotless braids doesn't give all that tension to your hair, and it's not as heavy on your head, it's not as heavy on your hair. You can go ahead and throw it up right away, do a bun. You could do pigtails. You could do whatever you want from the jump. You don't have to wait for them to like loosen up a little bit. So that's another thing that I did like. And I just really wanted a different look. I feel like after having my natural hair for like a long period of time and like not doing anything with it, I just feel like I'm just in need of a protective style. If it was up to me, I really would have done my faux locks again, but those take so long, and I love the look of it, but I hate the feel of it. So I'm just gonna leave that there for now. But yeah, I'm really excited about these braids. Comment down below and let me know how y'all think Kim did. Let me know if y'all gonna book an appointment with Kim. Like, she's really booked up right now, but Make sure you guys follow her on Instagram because she's always posting like updates in her story about cancellations, or she opens her calendar on a certain day. So make sure you're following her on Instagram. You're checking her stories because she may or she may not open up an appointment that you can go ahead and snag up. And yeah, she's really elite with these braids. I love the way that she mixed the colors of the braids. So I believe we used 4 colors in my hair, and we probably used like all together about 2 packs of hair. So if you're doing like one color, like if you're just doing 1B, then she really just uses like about 2 packs of hair. I bought so much hair because I do have a lot of future braiding hairstyles, and I went to this one shop on 125th Street that had like almost every color braiding hair that you can think of. I'm not gonna put y'all on yet because I'm not stocked up yet, and if I go and it's sold out, I'm gonna be so tight. So I went there and I got a whole bunch of packs of braiding hair. So after I do this style, I do plan on doing more braiding hairstyles. I'm super excited about that because I have a ton of pictures saved, like on my Instagram, on my Pinterest, of different braiding styles that I want Kim to slay for me. So I'm super excited. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Kensthetic_ to see my pictures on my upcoming trip, to see what I do with these braids, how I accessorize them, how the fits come together, and all of that. I'm so excited. Like, the fact that I don't have to do my hair on vacation is just like making me more excited for my trip. More excited than I already am. So yeah, so that's basically it. I love my hair. The purpose of this video was not to provide step-by-step detailed how to create knotless braids, how to do knotless braids. It was more so to give overview and keynotes and key steps on knotless braids. So if you guys want a private lesson on how to do knotless braids, then y'all could DM Kim on Instagram, hairby_Kimmy, and see if she offers that as a service. But that is not the purpose of this video. So yeah, I'm super happy with my hair. I love it. I received so many compliments already, so that's always a good thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think of my new hairdo. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of my new hairdo. Before you guys head out, do not forget to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want to see more content like this, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up so that I know. As always, I'll go ahead and include my recent uploads here so that you guys can get caught up if you're not already. And until my next video, I will see you guys later.